In this ukulele tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Stay With Me by Sam Smith and Tom Petty. Did you know that? We'll talk more about that in a second. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. All right, you guessed it. In this one, we're going to teach you how to play the song, the strum patterns, and we're going to be singing along with the killer backing track. I'm going to talk more about that in a second. But first of all, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons, tutorials, challenges, giveaways, everything we do right here on this channel. All right. Stay With Me is actually a fairly simple song, the chords at least. I'm going to show you a couple chords that you may not hear. Some people, you could just play it with 3 chords, but there's a couple of tricky chords, sneaky chords, let's call them sneaky, that I'm going to show you how to play on this one right here. And as I mentioned, if you want this backing track, which sounds killer, if you want the sheet music, I'll put a link of that below where you can go and grab it. All right, I'm playing my Koloha, by the way, KTM 00 tenor. I have a high G. Whoa, high G? Ukelikethepros, high G? Yeah, I've decided to do a high G on this one. And by the way, if you dig this instrument or want anything else, check out the #1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. I'm going to show you 2 simple rhythms here, right? Nope, I'm going to show you 1 simple rhythm and then the real rhythm, which I'm going to be playing. But here's the essence of it right here. You only need 3 chords for the majority of the song. You need A minor. You need the F. That's an easy change right there. And you need the C. You can all do that. You got that. Matter of fact, like I said earlier, you could really technically play this whole song like this with those 3 chords, but I'll show you exactly what I'm doing and exactly what the song does. Now, the main feel, let's call that the feel, not the strum pattern, the feel of it is this. One more time. All right, so those 2 measures, that's the feel for the whole thing. And you hear that in the piano, okay? And so all I'm doing here is I'm just gonna strum, then do this with me, and then I'll show you the actual strum pattern. Just gonna go down on an A minor for beats 1 and 2. So it's 1, 2, and then on beat 3, I'm gonna hit the F, 3, 4, and then, check this out. On the and a 4, I'm doing an upstroke on the C chord, and then I'm just gonna let that ring for the whole next measure. Okay, if you can get that, matter of fact, get this down first. We'll do it a couple times right now, because if you can get this feel, then you're gonna get it in your hands and your head and your ears and everything, and then you'll be all right for the song. All right, so do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, upstroke, 2, again, and. So really the key to it is that upstroke on the and a 4. So by the way, how did you do on that? Leave a comment below just so I know how you're doing on this kind of this entry level. Now, you can do that for the whole song. Matter of fact, that's kind of what the piano does for the whole song anyways. It's kind of a really sparse part. For me though, I want to add a little rhythm to it, add a little spice to it, okay? And so the rhythm I'm going to play right now is this. Got it? Do you know what that is? Could you write that down if you just listen to it one time? Don't worry. It's going to be on the screen. And I'm going to teach it to you right now. Same chords, same beat on those chords too. So you're still going to get the A minor on beat 1. You're still going to get that F on beat 3. And you're still going to get that C chord on and a 4. But now I'm adding some rhythm to it. Matter of fact, I even added a couple of mutes or chucks if you want to call them. All right, so let's grab this. Grab your A minor. It's going to go down, chuck, up. All right, so that's beats 1 and 2. Then on beat 3, I'm going to go on the F chord, down, up, chuck. And then on the and a 4, I'm going to go up. Now, before we even do the second measure, it's just on the C chord. Let's just do that, okay? Let's loop that a few times and see if you get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2, one more time, and. All right, so if you can get that, you're way ahead of the game. By the way, if you just want to play the song, like you don't need an instruction, I have just a play along version of this as well. And then we also have here on YouTube, which is just an extended backing track, jam track that you can also grab too. So we have both of those other videos as well. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to add the next part, that the rhythm on the C chord. So check this out. Let me play the whole measure now with that part. 2, 3, 4, and... All right, so that's it. Now what I did there is after the and of 4, actually let me do it real slow again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. I'm going to tie it, and I'm going to go upstroke, chuck, upstroke, tie, again, up, chuck, up. So it's almost the same part 2 times in a row. The up, chuck, up, chuck, up. And that's it, okay? So let's do it. We got to put it together with the first part in order to really get this part, all right? So do it with me now. 2, 3, 4, and 3 again. All right, that's it. Now we can really move on to the song now. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to play it. Just no backing track yet. We'll do that at the end. But we'll play it now. We'll go over the lyrics. We'll kind of sing a little singing. And then I'll show you the parts. When it changes, I'll show you what the changes are, because this is a little different at the end of the verse and at the end or during the chorus. All right, so here we go. Your melody notes is... Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand. Now, it's a C note. Now, I'm going to sing it down here. I'm going to take it down. If you want to sing it up, guess it's true, I'm not good at it. You can sing it up higher. Yeah, if you want to sing an octave higher, totally fine. I'm just going to keep it here for now. Guess it's true. All right, here we go. Let's try it. I'll sing this verse for you, and I'll show you what I'm doing right at the end of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand. But I still need love, 'cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. Here we go, watch this. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you? All right, so right there now. Did you notice what happens? The 4th time, when I'm doing the verse, the 4th time, it's going to go A minor, same rhythm, to G7, and right to the C chord, all right? So everything's the same except for instead of the F, you're doing the G7 on the end of the verse. All right, then we're going to go right to the chorus. Let's play it once. Check out a couple chords here. So it's going to be a G and an A flat 7 in here. So I'll show it to you. Let's play it first, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. And the melody is, stay with me. Again, if you want to take it up an octave, stay with me. I'll have to go into my falsetto to do it up higher, but stay with me. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me. Did you notice the 2 chords, that G and A flat 7? So it's the same thing. A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C. Okay, you're going to do that twice. Go A minor with me. Here we go. 2 again. All I need. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little like a pickup chord, the G. Okay, go back to the A minor. Da dee da dee dee dee. Here we go. Oh, won't you stay with me? All right, so those 2 chords are kind of like pickup chords. They happen on beat 4. Now, normally we were doing a chuck on those beats. You don't have to do a chuck. You can just do 4 on the G and then back to the A minor again. Remember, that's after the second time, and then the last time, or the time after that, you're going to go to the A flat 7 on beat 4 there. Okay, so let's do this chorus part and add those in. You just got to kind of hear it, okay? Follow the music on the screen. 1, 2, 3. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, is clear to see. Oh, darling, stay with me. All right, that's it. That's it. Matter of fact, don't forget, if you want the sheet music and the backing track, which we're about to play with right now, go ahead and click that link below. So hopefully you're doing all right. It's an easy and a hard song at the same time. The singing, Sam Smith, unbelievable. And what I mentioned earlier about why this is a Sam Smith and a Tom Petty song is because that melody, that stay with me, what it was is actually, it's the same melody as Tom Petty's Won't Back Down. And so when that song became a huge hit, Stay With Me, then they, I think it was a pretty simple thing, but then they settled. And now you see Tom Petty is on the song, even though Tom Petty didn't have anything to do with it at the time it was written. He wrote that melody many years before, and now he's considered a songwriter on the song. So, hey, Sam Smith and Tom Petty song, Stay With Me. Let's go ahead and do it now with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, and... Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love, 'cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, is clear to see. Oh, darling, stay with me. Why am I so emotional? No, it's not a good look, gain some self-control. Deep down I know this never works, but you can lay with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. Oh, darling, stay with me. Oh, oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, is clear to see. Oh, darling, stay with me. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. Oh, this ain't love, is clear to see. Oh, darling, stay with me. All right, so a couple things I didn't really talk about, but you probably figured them out. There was a little intro. We just did the A minor, F, C a couple times. And then there was a little interlude after that second chorus of A minor, F, C that we did 4 times. The other thing you might have noticed is I decided to, on that last chorus, take the melody up an octave, which, yeah, this is it. We're going to roll with this one right there. How did you do? Leave a comment below, whether you're just strumming or if you're singing. Let me know. I'd love to know that. So, again, this is the play along tutorial. If you want to just play along with the track, we have a separate video for that. And then we have a long, extended, like jam track, backing track video as well. So thanks for being here. If you want that sheet music, the backing track that we just used, click that link below. I appreciate all the support, the comments, smashing that like button, the subscribe, all that kind of stuff. So I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay safe. And we'll see you next time.